Leetcode medium problem 3100 water bottle number 2. So this is the medium version of yesterday's problem 1518, which is the number 1 and this is number 2. So the only difference is along with the number of empty bottles, the number of exchange bottle will be also increasing. So we traced the number of empty bottle with a variable yesterday, and we're gonna have a newer variable to trace, or we have to update the number of exchange bottles. Other than that, we can use the same code